Labor Day weekend, and what better things to do than work on your air conditioning system, right? Anyway, let me show you what I got going on here. Basically, my air conditioner was frozen up in a block of ice, so I think I probably had an airflow problem, as well as my drain pipe, my condensate pipe was plugging up. So let me show you what I did. First thing I did, I got rid of the P-trap right here and ran a straight tube right down to there, and now it's draining awesomely. Unfortunately, here in Florida, everything's up in the attic, so I went through that whole system, sealed everything up, and hit it with a good coil cleaner. Made sure everything was looking good up there. And the pipe actually, there's a big long run on the condensate pipe. Comes down here, then it comes down through here, and it comes down over here. It drains out there. But my old one had all these turns and all these areas for the condensate moisture to back up, so I got rid of all that. Next thing I did is I came out here, took all my covers off, and hit all the rusty areas with some rust converter. I'm just looking to get a couple more years out of this system, and then I'll be replacing it. But so I hit all this whole area in here, repainted the top, hit the whole coil system with a cleaner. This was all rusted out. You can see the rust converter got rid of most of the rust. You can see what's rusted right through here. But surprisingly, the system still works really good. It's not the prettiest looking thing, but it's still pumping out cold air. And did some work here. Shimmied it all up with some aluminum stock I had in the garage. And as soon as everything dries out, I'm probably going to hit this just with a coat of black paint. My compressor, maybe hit that with some black paint. And then I got the shrouds in here. Repainted the shrouds. Try to get them close to the original color. And then let everything dry. I'll put everything back together, and hopefully get a couple more years out of it. Just using a basic Rust-Oleum. Clean it up real good with some brake cleaner. Works wonders for you folks at home if you just rough up the surface with a good wire brush. Wipe it down with some brake cleaner. They hit it with some good Rust-Oleum paint, and you'll be surprised how many more years you can get out of some of this stuff. Anyway, that's what I got going on today on my Labor Day weekend. And when I'm done with this thing, it's going to look like new money. Well, I just cranked the AC system back up. Let's go out and take a look and see how she's running. This is a high efficiency Ruud, 30 years old. 30 years old, still purring like a kitten. Just got done putting the top back on, fired it up, and she is absolutely purring like a kitten. And what you want to look for, make sure you got a nice steady drip coming out of here. You can see how much moisture is being pulled out of the air here in Florida. And as you can see, I got rid of all the pinch points. So now I got a nice steady flow. That's what you want. And I hit all the coils with a good coil cleaner. And as you can see, the sheet metal base that this whole system sits on is pretty much rusted away. A lot of it's supported. I built some supports here to make sure we're supporting it properly. Got it wedged with some aluminum angle iron, and hit it with some Rust-Oleum and some rust converter. Hit the compressor with some paint, and it's purring like a kitten. 30-year-old system. Unbelievable. They don't make them like they used to. So I'm going to go ahead and let this run for a while. I'm still waiting for the paint to dry in the shroud here. Went ahead and finished the shroud. As you can see, it just wire brushed it, hit it with some good cleaner, roughed it up, and hit it with some Rust-Oleum paint. Nothing fancy. But this stuff right here, I got this from Home Depot. Just your basic coil cleaner. Works good on cars as well. This particular brand is, I don't know, WEB coil cleaner. Cleans air conditioner, heat pump coils, pretty much any coils for heating and cooling. And still need this shroud to go on as well. So once I get that on there, get this on here. I did all the work upstairs, cleaned all the coils, and just did an inspection and resealed everything with some good HVAC tape. This stuff right here, this comes in real handy. So you want to make sure, get up there, look for any kind of leakage, and seal everything up real good. This is a 3M product, works real good. And that's about it. Running like a dream. Alright, I'm out. Well, here's the new finished product. Making some racket right now. Probably needs a new fan motor. Sounds like the bearing might be going. But put out some serious condensate. New money. Need to do the ends on the shroud. Other than that, come out pretty good.